The simple present tense is a fundamental aspect of English grammar that we use to talk about actions or states that are habitual, factual, or generally true. Today, we're diving into how to use the simple present tense in both formal and informal language contexts. Let's start with formal language. Formal language is typically used in professional, academic, or official settings. For instance, you might say, I am writing a report, the company manufactures cars, or the professor lectures on economics. These examples showcase how the simple present tense is employed to convey actions or facts in a formal manner. Now, let's switch gears to informal language. Informal language is more relaxed and is commonly used with friends, family, or in casual settings. In informal contexts, you might say, I'm writing a report, my friend loves playing video games, or we're studying for the exam together. These examples demonstrate how the simple present tense can be used conversationally in everyday interactions. In daily life, the simple present tense is omnipresent, whether we're speaking formally or informally. From discussing work tasks to chatting with friends, this tense helps us communicate effectively. Visual aids like flashcards, animations, or real-life footage can further illustrate how the simple present tense is applied in various scenarios. Remember, the key takeaway is understanding the distinction between formal and informal language. Using the appropriate tone and vocabulary for each context is crucial for effective communication. So, whether you're in a professional meeting or catching up with a friend, being mindful of your language choice can make a significant impact. By mastering the simple present tense in both formal and informal settings, you'll enhance your communication skills and convey your message with clarity and precision. So, keep practicing and incorporating these language nuances into your daily conversations.